Ladies and gentlemen, now the moment you've all been waiting for.
What's up guys, and welcome back to the channel for another drone trip. And today I'm so happy because I'm at this dam, the Emerson Dam, and it's really crazy. It's a place where I wanted to come since a long time. Look at this place. It's just insane. Behind those hills we can see the Mont Blanc, so it's gonna be so great to fly my drone here. And there is some clouds too, so that's so great. Let's prepare the drone, find a quiet place to take off, and then explore this place. Let's go. Okay guys, I'm done with this trip. I think it's the best landscape I ever seen during my drone trip in French Alps and Swiss Alps. And by the way, here it's in Switzerland, so if you plan to come here, it's just close to Chamonix and the Mont Blanc, so you need to come here if you visit French Alps. Don't forget to come to this place because it's just insane. Look at these mountains. Look at this, it's so huge, and there is two different dams, and yeah, it's just crazy. So hope you enjoyed this video guys. I leave you with some photos that I took with my Sony a7R III. Don't forget to subscribe, hit that bell. Have a great day or great night. I don't know what time is it in your country, but enjoy your life, and I see you next week. Ciao.